So the next question, look at the screen. The following data are related to the wages and experience of 6 employees of a factory. Which of these is more variable? Wages in rupees is mentioned as well as experience in year is given to you. Look at the board. Okay, this is the question which already I showed it in the screen. Now on the board the question is written where this wages in rupees is mentioned and experience in year is mentioned to you. You need to calculate what? You need to calculate which one is more variable. Which one is more variable? Either wage is more variable or experience is more variable. So this is given, the following data related to wages mentioned and experience is mentioned to you, and you need to find out in term with respect to wages and experience which one is more variable. So to find out variability or scatteredness, it is important to calculate coefficient of range. As I already mentioned, that coefficient of range having unit independent value. Since here the two parameter wages and experience both have different units, sir. Both have different unit. Wages in rupees whereas experience in year. So you need to calculate that parameter which are unit independent. So separately I am going to calculate coefficient of range of wages and coefficient of range of experience, and the value which having least coefficient of variance have less variability, and the coefficient of variable, if you know maximum value, having more variability. Look at here. Now I am going to calculate first the coefficient of range of wages. Now coefficient of range is wages is given as, what is the formula of coefficient of range? So coefficient of range is given as L minus S divided by L plus S. So what is L here? L is the largest value in this wages table and S is the smallest value in wages table. So what is my largest value? My largest value is what? 1,222. So this is my largest value. What is my smallest value? My smallest value is 947. So 947 I write here. Same thing I written with positive sign. Now you need to calculate this value. What is the coefficient of range of wages? Okay, so 1,222 minus of 947, you will have 275 divided by 1,222. This is not 4, this is 2, and plus 947. So this value is 2169. So if you divide 275, divide this value by 2169, you will get 0.1267. So this is the coefficient of range of wages is what? 0.1267. Now calculate experience. The coefficient of range of experience. Again, your coefficient of range formula is what? L minus S divided by L plus S. But for coefficient of range of experience calculation, you require the experience table. So what is the maximum value? So my maximum value is what? 14.6. I write instead of L 14.6 minus what is my smallest value? So my smallest value is 6.1. Okay, so I write here 6.1, divide by the same value with positive sign. Now you need to calculate this value. So 14.6 minus of 6.1 will give you 8.5, sir. Divide by 14.6 plus 6.1 value will give you 20.7. Now I am going to divide this value by 20.7. You will get 0.4106. So this is the value of coefficient of range for experience. Now the coefficient of range, which one is maximum, because you need to calculate more variability. So coefficient of range having more value is more variable. So here the coefficient of range of experience is greater than coefficient of range of wages. Why it is maximum? Because this value is 0.4106 is greater than 0.1267. It means that this value, which one? Coefficient of experience. So my experience is more variable. variable. So this is experience is more variable. So this is the solution of this question. Suppose in the same question you require, suppose you need to calculate less variable term. So which one is less variable? So the value coefficient of range having minimum value is less variable. So wages is less variable, less variability, less variable in a data. So whenever, the concept is whenever you need to compare two things having different unit, you always go to calculate coefficient of range. Coefficient of range is unit independent, and whenever you need to compare two things having different unit, so it is important to calculate coefficient of range. So this is the application of coefficient of range. Now I already covered how to calculate range of different equation, discrete data, frequency distribution, and coefficient of range calculation, and the comparison also. So this is all about. Now the next topic is interquartile range.